Yeah, I think, well, what happened specifically in the last 24 hours is that a lot of, rhetoric and dialogue and kind of summary and analysis came out from voting and non-voting Fed members. And that's really what I think has hit the market. On Wednesday, the data, as you kind of alluded to before, seemed okay, like that, Fed isn't going to overdo it. It might be per Fairchild Powell, okay to pause. But then, the follow-up on that from, Bullard and Daly and some of the other Fed chairs, it felt a little bit, it felt a lot stronger and more hawkish. And if anything, if you look at the market wagers, the odds of the rate hikes being higher and lasting longer just also went up in the last 24 hours. So I really do think it's that
Right.
number. Nothing else nothing meaningful has happened in the market between now and then. You could always say, like, there's always this backdrop where it's the end of August, liquidity is low, traders are kind of like off the bench and whatnot. So it's always like a tricky time to trade now in the short term. But I think on these pullbacks, if you're a long-term investor, whether it's in Bitcoin, whether it's in, various cryptocurrencies, equities, I mean, these are great little opportunities to buy for the future too. So you can, definitely look at this in a positive way as well.